Hi guys, just look at how my face is glowing. So good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Noel, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and thank you so much for always watching my videos. So today is on a Sunday morning. I didn't get to go to church. Okay, it's like 8 right now. Yeah, so I'm just going to listen to a podcast on Joel Austin, which is scheduled for I think 8 hours. I thought it was in the morning, but yeah, it's scheduled for the next 8 hours. So that's when you're going to listen to it. And I'm still obsessed with my face, by the way. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean my apartment. That's what I'm going to do today. Maybe prepare lunch and listen to Joel Austin's podcast. Yeah, and get back to some orders I'm supposed to work on, and some are supposed to be delivered in the evening, like one. That's an exception because I don't work on a Sunday. Yeah, so my dreads are behaving. Yeah, so yeah, guys, let's get to the video. Guys, so over here I was making my bed. I had just woken up. So yeah, here and there we changed our bed sheet. So today I couldn't turn my mattress because this mattress is too hard and heavy to lift like and turn it back. So yeah, don't worry about the mwiko. You all know, if you're a lady, you understand. Yeah, so there's my bed sheet. It looks kind of wrinkled, but just wait and see how it turns out. Immediately I've placed it on my bed. Just you won't believe it when I've already set it up on my bed. Hi guys, so currently I'm preparing lunch. Yeah, and it's almost ready. So like I had planned on cooking pilau, but I changed my mind because I really forgot like many ingredients when I went grocery shopping. Yeah, so we're just going to eat rice and meat stew. Yeah, so like I was planning to do a full Sunday vlog, but I think I'm just going to end it where we eat our lunch because I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. So yeah, I'm going to show you a video of how our food turned out, and after that I'm going to crochet, and I have to watch and listen to Joel Austin's podcasts after that, and then I really don't know what I'm going to do afterwards because my client whom I was supposed to deliver my order to kind of changed her mind, so I'm going to like deliver it tomorrow. Yeah, so that's it guys. Hi guys, so our food is ready and I'm having it with my soda in a nice holiday jar. I hope you guys all have a nice day. Yeah, so it's time to dig in. So yeah, so that's the end of our vlog guys, as I promised. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much. Keep on doing that.